Hello everyone, welcome to your weekly tech update, the show that explores the newest, coolest, and sometimes mind-boggling side of tech available on the interwebs. I am your host, Ray McNeil. Coming up on the program today, we're talking Skype. They're rolling out their new Meet Now calls, and you don't need to sign up or to install it to use it. Amazon's new Blink Mini is a small indoor camera that allows for two-way audio, motion detection, HD video, and it's only $35. And will take your mind off of the world and put a smile on your face with this week's Moment of Joy. That and a whole lot more coming up on today's edition of your weekly tech update. Next. There are more video calls going on now more than ever. However, a significant chunk of that action has gone to Zoom, which honestly I had never heard of before a couple of months ago. And not necessarily Skype, who has been the mainstay video chatting service for many years now. Microsoft's product that has been at the center of online voice and video chat since well before smartphones were commonplace is now coming out with a new feature that's rivaling Zoom and the market share that Zoom has captured in its short time. Perhaps too easy with some security and privacy compromises, but Skype is finally ready to fight back with Meet Now. With Meet Now, hosts can create and share free meetings with just 3 simple clicks. That's according to the company. Even the host doesn't need to have Skype installed. It's all ran from your web browser. You can start the process from its website and then invite people either using a simple link or the share button that's available on the page. If the person you're inviting has Skype installed, then it will automatically open up in the app directly. And if not, then it will open up a web browser and works in Chrome and Edge. Zoom has already made some changes and pledged more to address its issues. We'll see if this setup helps Skype claw back any users who've already gotten used to using competitor software for their meetings. We've long waited for the successor to Sony's awesome noise-canceling WH-1000XM3 headphones, which earned a CNET Editor's Choice Award back in 2019. Credible photos of headphones that appeared to be the Sony WH-1000XM4 appeared on Twitter earlier last month, but it looks like they're a no-show. For the time being anyway. While we're waiting, however, the company recently announced that it's bringing out 2 new wireless headphones. The WF-XB700 is a true wireless headphone in the company's extra bass line. It'll cost $130, while the WH-CH710N, a new noise-canceling over-ear headphone, will cost $200. Both are set to be available for pre-order in April. WF-XB700 Extra Bass True Wireless Earbuds with Sony's Extra Bass technology, tri-hold structure. It creates a comfortable ergonomic fit with up to, get this, 9 hours of battery life. And an optional charging case delivers an additional 9 hours. You can even do a quick charge with it. 10 minutes on the quick charge provides about 60 minutes of music playback. Available in April for pre-order in black and blue. And then, of course, we have the WH-CH710N. They come with 30mm drivers, artificial intelligence noise canceling, and it can automatically select the most effective noise canceling mode for users' surroundings. It also includes dual microphones. It'll kind of help you catch more ambient sounds, up to 35 hours of audio on a single charge. And it automatically selects the most effective noise canceling mode for the user's surroundings. You can get up to 35 hours of audio on a single charge, and again, it has the quick charge feature that provides 60 minutes of music playback via a 10-minute charge. Bluetooth 5.0 is included with this, as well as the standard USB-C charging. This has 30mm driver, support for Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, one-touch button access to those digital assistants, by the way, and it's going to be available in April for pre-order as well. This one only coming in black for the time being anyway. Having AI agents learn how to play simple video games is an ideal way to test their effectiveness, thanks to the ability to measure success via a score. Alphabet's DeepMind designed 57 particular Atari games to serve as a litmus test for its artificial intelligence, and established a benchmark for the skills of an average human player. The company's latest system, Agent 57, made a huge leap over previous systems and is the first version of the AI that outperforms the human baseline. In particular, Agent 57 has proven its superhuman skills in Pitfall, Montezuma's Revenge, Solaris, and Skiing. All those games that have been major challenges for other AIs. Now, according to MIT's Technology Review, Pitfall and Montezuma's Revenge require the AI to experiment more than usual in order to figure out how to get a better score. Meanwhile, Solaris and Skiing are difficult for AI because there aren't as many indications of success. The AI doesn't know if it's making its right moves for long stretches of time. DeepMind built upon its older AI agents so that Agent 57 could make better decisions regarding exploration and score exploration, as well as to optimize the trade-off between short-term and long-term performance in games like Skiing. Technology Review notes that while these results are impressive, AI still has a long way to go. These systems can only figure out one game at a time right now, which it says is at odds with the skills of a human. True versatility, which comes so easily to a human infant, is still far beyond AI's reach. That said, AI is already in use across industries. The lessons learned from Agent 57 could help improve performance, even if human-level skills aren't achievable for now.